Hey everyone, I'm Adrian Ferrazzutti. I'm here at Marc Adams School of Woodworking in Indiana, and I'll be teaching a silkscreening class that's upcoming this year. And we're going to be doing t-shirts, fabrics, cards, you name it. So it's a weekend class, and what we're going to be doing is, firstly, we're going to build the frames out of wood to make the screens, and then we're going to make artwork. And so we've got to take something to make a negative to create this positive screen so we can put ink through it. So we could do this, for example. We could take that logo there and turn it into a screen. So once we have that artwork, we're going to put it on this photosensitive emulsion and expose it to light. And then that all rinses out, and we're left with a screen that when we put ink on it, we can put it on fabric or paper, and we can pull ink through it and create that print. All right, so I got two great examples here of Marc Adams himself and one of Stephen Proctor. And so we'll see how these turn out. I haven't tried them yet. So I got some ink. I'm going to use some yellow. I'm going to mix a bit of green into it so we can customize the colors here. You can even leave it swirly like this if you like that. Now I haven't taped this off, so I've got some screen areas that might bleed through, but we'll not worry about that too much right now. And then I'm going to pull this ink across the screen onto the paper and see what we get. Hey, not bad. Let's try Marc. We'll get a little more green in there. Oh, that's better. Here we go with Marc's picture. Oh, that's better. So the quality of the image you start with directly affects how well that screen turns out. So this is a much better image. All right, this is just a peek into the screen printing class we're going to be doing. It's never been offered here before at Marc Adams, so please be sure to sign up. Check the link below, and I hope to see you.